Hello students, welcome. Today we will learn about another property of arithmetic mean. So let's dive into it. The property states that if all the values of a variable are equal, then their arithmetic mean will be the same as the common value of the variable. So let's start with the proof, and also we will see an example relating to the properties. Let xi equals to c, I starting from 1, 2, 3 up to n, and c is the constant number. That means all the variables starting from x1 up to xn will have the same value c. Now if we apply summation to xi equals to c, we get summation xi equals to summation c. We know that summation will change to n when applied to the constant number. And here we take this step as equation 1. Now we divide both the side of equation 1 by n, and we get this. From summation x by n, we get x bar, and by cancelling both the n, we get c. We have already assumed xi equals to c, and we have derived x bar equals to c. So we can now write xi equals to x bar equals to c. Now we will do an example to understand the property. We will calculate the mean for the values given below. Now, by the definition of arithmetic mean, we know x bar equals to summation x by n. In the numerator, which is summation x, we will write 7 fives. And in the denominator, which is n, we will write 7, as there are 7 fives. By adding up the fives, we get 35, and by cancelling that by 7, we get 5. Therefore, we got xi equals to x bar equals to 5. This numerical example gave us the proof of xi equals to x bar equals to c. Hope you all have understood the proof and the numerical example of the property of arithmetic mean. If yes, drop a like